The saiga is an antelope species living in Central Asia. At the moment we are in the Irgiz-Turgay Reserve, which is a protected area in central Kazakhstan of 1.1 million hectares. So the main threats for saiga antelope are first of all poaching, mainly because the horn is sold for high prices to China and other Eastern Asian countries. The second thing is diseases. So in 2015 we had a huge mass die-off here in central Kazakhstan. In May, saiga antelope aggregate in big groups, mainly females, to give birth to small saiga babies. And we are now walking transects through this carving area, so straight lines, walking directly through the saiga. On these lines we fix all the locations of saiga calves. We measure them, we weigh them. Determine the sex of the calves and also tag them with an ear tag. It's important in order to understand how the population is doing, if they have diseases or not, how the reproduction is ongoing. So yeah, if they're doing well, basically.
Part of our job here in Kazakhstan is to get a better understanding of what the normal pattern of mortality and disease is, and then that allows us to be able to detect any changes, any increases in mortality. At the moment we know very little about what's going on, and we don't have a baseline understanding of their health or their disease processes. The pathogen that we isolated was a bacterial agent called Pasteurella multocida. But thinking about the environment as well, specialists in that area identified that in the year of this mass mortality event, there were changes, any increases in temperature and humidity. So it's a combination of these factors that led to the mortality in the saigas.
Браконьеры это для нас составляет, вот видите, вот это острый как нож, видите, лезвие.
And it's really difficult because they're better equipped than the rangers. Still, I mean, they're really professional poachers who are doing organized crime. These poachers who really take only males and only for the horn, they make a big problem because then the sex ratio is skewed in the end and the reproduction goes down, and that's the biggest issue. Because when then another disease outbreak happens, another mass die-off, then easily the population can be brought to a level then which is critical for the survival. Yeah, it's a combination of different threats, right? Now it's slowly recovering, but it's I mean, it has been almost lost.
Наша работа это защищать эту дикую природу, в том числе вот от сайгаков, от браконьеров. Для своих потомков, чтобы дальше же жизнь же продолжается, ну, чтобы наши дети видели это, дикую природу.
Эти все три собаки подготовлены непосредственно на поиск дериватов. Но он по размерам маленький, то есть это молодого самца. Говорят, да, за килограмм на черном рынке, говорят, то стоит около вот $5000.
In the future, I think the population will recover from the catastrophes which have been there. The protection from poaching is rather good at the moment. Populations are now doing well, but these die-offs can happen anytime, so we must prepare for that, and the most important thing is really to have big populations so that they don't disappear completely.